Grouting a tile backsplash is a critical step in finishing a kitchen renovation. It involves filling the spaces between tiles to create a durable, clean, and visually appealing surface. But how long does it take to grout a tile kitchen backsplash? Grouting a tile kitchen backsplash typically takes 2 to 8 hours for DIYers and 1.5 to 3 hours for a kitchen remodeling specialist, depending on the backsplash size, tile type, and grouter's experience. This estimate excludes grout curing time, which can vary. Let's explore the process, time estimates, and key considerations for effectively grouting a tile kitchen backsplash, providing valuable insights for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Whether you're a seasoned expert or a first-time DIYer, understanding the grouting process is essential for achieving a beautifully finished backsplash. The importance of accurate time estimation when grouting a tile backsplash cannot be overstated. This is essential for several reasons. Project planning and scheduling. Accurate time estimation is crucial for planning the overall project schedule, especially if grouting is part of a larger remodeling project. Knowing how long the grouting will take helps in scheduling other related tasks and ensures that the project stays on track. Resource allocation. Time estimation helps in the efficient allocation of resources, including labor and equipment. If you're hiring a professional, an accurate estimate can impact the cost of labor. If you're doing it yourself, knowing how much time you need helps in managing your schedule. Material preparation. Certain types of grout require precise mixing and have a limited working time before they start to set. An accurate time estimate allows for proper preparation and usage of materials, reducing waste and ensuring the quality of the application. Minimizing downtime. In kitchens, a backsplash out of commission can be inconvenient. A precise time estimate helps in minimizing this downtime by allowing for efficient planning and execution of the work. Curing and drying time. Understanding the required time for grouting includes acknowledging the curing and drying time of the grout. This affects when the backsplash can be fully utilized or when additional tasks, like sealing, can be performed. Quality of work. Rushing through the grouting process due to poor time estimation can lead to subpar work, such as uneven grout lines or inadequate filling. Accurate time estimation ensures that sufficient time is allocated for each step, resulting in a more professional finish. Stress reduction. Knowing the time required for grouting can reduce stress and anxiety for homeowners and professionals alike. It sets realistic expectations and helps in managing other commitments and responsibilities. Several factors can affect the time it takes to grout a tile kitchen backsplash, each playing a crucial role in determining the overall duration of the project. Size and layout of the backsplash area. Larger backsplashes will naturally take more time to grout than smaller ones. Additionally, complex layouts or patterns, like herringbone or mosaic, can also increase grouting time due to the careful attention needed for proper application. Tile size and spacing. Smaller tiles with more grout lines can increase the time required for grouting. Conversely, larger tiles with fewer grout lines might take less time. The width of the grout lines also plays a role. Wider grout lines might require more grout and time to fill properly. Type of grout. Different grout types have varying properties and application methods. For example, epoxy grouts are more durable and resistant to moisture, but can be more challenging and time-consuming to work with compared to traditional sanded or unsanded grouts. Skill and experience level. The experience level of the person doing the grouting significantly impacts the time required. Professionals can usually complete the job faster and more efficiently than amateurs or DIY enthusiasts due to their expertise and familiarity with the materials and techniques. Preparation work. The amount of time spent on preparation, such as cleaning the tiles, mixing the grout, and taping off edges, can also impact the total time. Proper preparation is crucial for a smooth grouting process, but does add to the overall time spent on the project. Working conditions. The environment where grouting is taking place can affect the speed of the work. Adequate lighting, comfortable temperature, and sufficient space can make the process quicker and more efficient. Curing time. While not part of the active grouting process, the time required for the grout to cure and set is an essential factor in determining when the kitchen backsplash will be ready for use. Different grouts have different curing times, which can impact the project timeline. Tools and equipment used. The availability and quality of tools, like grout floats, mixers, and sponges, can influence the efficiency of the grouting process. High-quality tools tailored to the specific type of grout and tile can reduce the time and effort required. Condition of tiles and backsplash area. If the tiles or the wall behind them need repair or extensive cleaning, this can add to the total time. A well-prepared and maintained kitchen backsplash area allows for a quicker and smoother grouting process. Complexity of the design. Intricate tile designs or the need for precision in maintaining consistent grout lines can slow down the grouting process, requiring more time and attention to detail. Breaks and interruptions. Finally, the need for breaks, especially in a lengthy project, can extend the overall time. Interruptions or delays in the process, such as waiting for more materials, also contribute to the total time spent on grouting. Understanding these factors can help in accurately estimating the time needed for grouting a tile kitchen backsplash, ensuring that the project is planned and executed efficiently. Average time estimates for grouting a tile kitchen backsplash can vary based on several factors, including the size of the area, the type of tiles and grout used, and the experience level of the person doing the work. For DIY enthusiasts, preparation time. This includes cleaning the tiles, preparing the grout, and setting up your workspace. This can take about 30 minutes to an hour. Application time. Applying the grout to a standard-sized kitchen backsplash, about 10 to 30 square feet, might take approximately 1 to 3 hours. This time can increase if the tile pattern is intricate or if the groutlines are very narrow or wide. Cleanup time. After grouting, you will need to wipe off the excess grout and clean the tiles. This process can take about 30 minutes to 1 hour. Total time estimate. For a DIYer, expect to spend around 2 to 5 hours grouting a standard-sized backsplash. This time estimate assumes a moderate pace and includes breaks. For professionals, preparation time. Professionals may work more quickly in preparing the area, taking about 15 to 30 minutes. Application time. Due to their experience and efficiency, professionals can grout a standard-sized kitchen backsplash in about 1 to 2 hours. Cleanup time. Professional cleanup is usually quicker, around 15 to 30 minutes. Total time estimate. A professional might complete the entire grouting process in about 1.5 to 3 hours for a standard-sized kitchen backsplash. These time estimates are for the actual grouting process and do not include the curing time for the grout, which can vary depending on the type of grout used. Most grouts require 24 to 72 hours to cure fully before the kitchen backsplash can be used normally. Remember, these are average estimates, and the actual time could vary depending on the specific conditions of your project. It's always a good idea to allow some extra time, especially if you're new to tiling and grouting, to accommodate any learning curve or unexpected challenges.